I want to point out that one of the major provisions of that bill dealt with the expanded funding for the Race to the Top longitudinal data system and the extension of that data system to pre-K. You know, the intent of this legislation is to facilitate the collection of about 400 data points on students. It is collected in an anonymous fashion, or at least conveyed in an anonymous fashion. And the purpose of this data system is to connect the dots between DHS data and our individual school data. And the key question that I have before the people that are in this assembly here is, why is this data going to be used? How will this data be used? And when I asked this question in the Appropriations Committee, I was told that it was to improve the quality of the programs, such as Race to the Top. Now, on the surface, this is a noble pursuit. But I think I need to bring the attention of my colleagues that behind all this is a philosophy of education called outcome-based education. You know, as an engineer, I really like the idea of metrics. I like data. I know that the key to designing an effective control system is to have lots of data inputs. I get it. The only problem is that the control system that we're talking about, the control system we are designing here, is a control system designed to control the attitudes, values, and beliefs of our students. That's the role of parents, my friends. This longitudinal data system is collecting socioeconomic data like income level, but it also collects data like religious affiliation. Now, why does the government need to collect such a large amount of data on our kids? You may have heard the expression, kids are not cars, and I tend to agree. Matter of fact, I do agree. You know, you see in the final analysis, this is a gross overreach of the role of government, the federal government in particular. And we need to get back in the mode of thinking that we need more data on how our government's operating that we can share with we the people than the government has on us. It's we the people that should be the one designing these control systems over the government, not the government designing control systems over the people. And for this reason, I'd like to submit my no vote explanation on that bill.